The journey of these iconic fruit candies begins outside the facility, where tanker trucks deliver enormous quantities of liquid corn syrup. Simultaneously, tons of highly refined granulated sugar flow continuously from massive internal silos into the automated delivery system.
Before production begins, technicians carefully extract syrup samples to verify viscosity and purity, ensuring only the best ingredients enter the line.
Automated dosing systems take over, precisely measuring the exact ratio of sugar, corn syrup, and purified water required for the candy center. The measured ingredients cascade into a giant stainless steel pre-mixing vessel, where the initial dissolution phase takes place. Heavy-duty rotary blades slowly agitate the mixture. This constant mechanical blending creates a uniform, thick slurry ready for cooking. Once perfectly blended, high-pressure industrial pumps force the thick slurry through a network of heated pipes toward the cooking department. The mixture arrives at the vacuum batch cookers. These enormous closed vessels are designed to boil the sugar at reduced atmospheric pressure. Inside the sealed cookers, the sweet mixture boils aggressively. The temperature is strictly controlled to evaporate exact amounts of water. Industrial vacuum systems extract the rising steam. This concentrates the liquid, transforming it into a highly dense and elastic candy base.
To create the signature chewy texture, plant-based fats and starches are carefully folded into the hot, concentrated sugar base.
Automated mechanical arms knead the heavy dough, ensuring all the ingredients are perfectly homogenized.
The dense candy mass is then fed into a massive industrial extruder, moving it steadily forward to the shaping department. Under immense pressure, the machine forces the dough out into continuous, thick ropes of warm, chewy candy.
These ropes travel through sizing rollers, precision-engineered wheels that stretch the candy into the exact required diameter. Next, high-speed rotary dies stamp the moving ropes, instantly cutting and molding them into perfectly uniform, bare lentil shapes. The newly formed, colorless candy centers drop onto a vibrating conveyor, preventing them from sticking together as they cool. They travel through a long, climate-controlled tunnel. High-powered fans blast chilled air, rapidly hardening the centers. Once fully set, millions of raw centers are loaded into massive rotating steel panning drums to begin the coating process.
Inside the tumbling drums, a precise automated nozzle sprays the very first layer of liquid sugar and fruit flavoring.
Warm air is blown into the rotating drum, crystallizing the liquid sugar and hardening the first protective layer. This panning process of spraying and drying is repeated dozens of times, gradually building a thick, crunchy sugar shell. Once the outer shell is thick enough, a precisely formulated, brightly colored fruit syrup is introduced into the mix. As the drum continues to spin, friction and constant movement ensure the colored syrup coats every single piece evenly. A final blast of temperature-controlled air removes any remaining moisture, setting the vibrant color firmly into the crystallized sugar. At this stage, the candy shells are fully formed and rock hard, but they possess a completely dull, matte finish. To achieve their famous glossy shine, a precise amount of natural carnauba wax is added directly to the tumbling batch. The candies are left to tumble. The intense friction between the pieces polishes the wax into a perfectly smooth, reflective glaze. Once fully polished, the drums are discharged, releasing a massive, vibrant waterfall of finished candies onto the main transport line. Because each color is manufactured in its own dedicated drum, they must travel down parallel lines to reach the blending station. Before they can be branded, the polished candies flow into narrow, precision-milled channels, forcing them into a strict single-file formation. They travel beneath a specialized, high-speed rotary printing wheel coated in a safe, edible white ink. Making Skittles requires precision. The printer kisses each candy.
The printed candies immediately pass under a bank of low-heat infrared lamps, curing the ink instantly to prevent smudging.
Finally, the individual color lines converge. 5 separate conveyors dump their finished candies into a massive, central blending hopper. Inside the hopper, gentle rotary paddles carefully mix the batch, ensuring a perfect, even distribution of the 5 classic flavors.
Before packaging, the mixed candies drop through an advanced optical sorting machine, illuminated by bright LED sensors.
High-speed cameras analyze every single piece in mid-air. A precise blast of compressed air instantly ejects it. Only the structurally perfect, brightly colored candies survive the drop, landing on the final transport belt headed for packaging. The flawless mixture flows into a multi-head weighing system. These robotic scales instantly calculate and drop the exact weight required for every single bag. Our high-speed packaging lines ensure maximum efficiency. Each package is formed with absolute precision. This guarantees quality and consistency at every step of the process. The flat film is folded into a tube, and the precisely weighed candies drop instantly into the forming bag.
Heated metal jaws clamp down in a fraction of a second, simultaneously melting the plastic to create a secure seal and cutting the bag free.
Each sealed bag immediately passes through an industrial metal detector, a crucial safety step to ensure zero foreign contaminants. A dynamic checkwager verifies the final mass of every package. Any bag that falls outside the strict weight tolerance is instantly rejected from the line.
The approved bags are grouped together and swiftly picked up by robotic suction arms, which place them neatly into waiting cardboard shipping cases.
The filled cases continue down the line, where automated folders secure the flaps and apply a strong strip of packaging tape. An industrial laser etches the production date and batch code onto the side of each box, guaranteeing complete traceability for global distribution. At the end of the line, heavy-duty robotic arms stack the sealed cases. This interlocking pattern ensures maximum stability. The completed pallet is tightly wrapped in stretch film to secure the load. It is now ready to be shipped out and distributed all over the world.